cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder, paprika, turmeric. All this one is combination of spice blend makes it curry. It's not just a one thing. And these are just a basic spices that combines in curry. Um, as you know that the, when we buy a curry from the stores, like Madras curry powder instant, it looks yellow because of the dominant color. It's yellow in here and everything looks yellow, but that's not a one component of that. It's a combination of spice blend. Another one is also called garam masala, and that's based on the whole spices.
What does garam mean?
Garam masala means hot spices. The meaning of the garam masala is hot spices, which combines clove, cinnamon, anise star, green cardamom, black cardamom, bay leaf, chilies, black pepper, and a nutmeg. All this one, we roast them and then you make a nice blend. You grind them. So those are the garam masala. But again, when we make this curry, we cook most of the food, whether it's meat, vegetable, or a seafood, we use these spices to make the sauce or a gravy. And this one, the garam masala, it goes right at the end, just as a garnish, just to infuse the flavor and bring the richer aroma. So it's...
What kinds of dishes on your menu would use the garam masala?
Tell me again.
What kinds of dishes that are on your menu right now would use the garam masala?
Garam masala, we would use garam masala in Kashmiri lamb curry instead. There's a chicken chettinad, we use garam masala. Again, the garam masala or the curry, it goes by region to region. It goes by family to family. So if somewhere were to put a garam masala in South India, they would use more dominant spices, which is the black pepper, the bay leaf, the clove. And if someone were to use a garam masala in Northern India, they would use more black cardamom, green cardamom, anise star, and a nutmeg. So it goes by region to region. Same with the curry powder, that some of the dishes are made in South India differently, North India differently, whether it's a West Coast in Mumbai, Maharashtra, or it's in Calcutta, which is East Bengal. So they all have their own levels of spices, and this is just the basic spices. Again, for instance, here we are. Those are another spices that we use, but again, as you're not familiar with this one, but again, it just goes by a little amount of it. It's not like whole. Like over here, you use a 5 tablespoons of something to make 5 pounds of curry. Over here, you just use 1 tiny teaspoon of this. So it's just not overpowering to the entire dish, but gives a nice little bite of different flavors. Again, these are onion seeds, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, and again, this one is the fenugreek leaves. This is the fenugreek seeds and fenugreek leaves, and we use this one right at the end to infuse the flavor.
And these leaves?
Yes, these are the curry leaves. Again, people get confused with the curry leaves. They always think the curry leaves and a curry powder is made by curry leaves. But the curry leaves is not used in the dry spices. It's a fresh leaves right from the plant. And in India, the curry we call curry leaves, which is Kurry, not Curry, and that means in south of India is a gravy leaves. Mostly goes into seafoods and meats.